So you want that image to be as professional looking as possible when you pull that screenshot off, so don't be afraid to edit that photo. Make sure it's sized correctly so that it does go up on YouTube's platform. I'll put a link down in the description box to the app that I use. If not, then I'll write a description. It's that you can download it for free from Google Play. If you have Google Play, probably an iPhone, but I'm not sure. But you're basically, when you do your text, don't put your whole title in that trying to squeeze it all in. Just give it a rough sum of what the video is about and go with that. Again, you're just trying to advertise. You're trying to entice them to click on it. And this is a lot of what YouTube is you're a salesman or saleswoman. And this is what you're trying to do, is run a commercial. You're trying to entice people to pick things up. So if you keep that in mind and you make things as professional as possible, then more people are going to click on it. And remember, the eyes will tell the brain to click long before the fingers actually do the clicking. So you want to make sure that you're giving them something that stands out, versus if you're ranked, let's say number 5 out of 10, by the time they've done scrolled down and seen yours, they've seen 5 others. They've seen 4 others. What makes yours stand out more than the other 4? See what I'm saying? That's what you got to look at your thumbnails for. GoPro, stop recording.